Hey guys, in this video we are going to talk about declare JavaScript variables. In computer science, data is anything that is meaningful to the computer. JavaScript provides 8 different data types which are undefined, null, boolean, string, symbol, bigint, number, and object. For example, computers distinguish between numbers such as the number 12 and strings such as 12, dog, 1, 2, 3 cats, which are collections of characters. Computers can perform mathematical operations on a number but not on a string. Okay, this is important. Computers can perform mathematical operations on a number but not on a string. So, what are strings? Strings are a collection of characters like 1, 2, dog, 1, 2, 3 cats, but uh, numbers are like 1, 2, and so on. Anything number. This can be used for for doing mathematical operations, while this cannot be. So what is the difference here? Here we have double quotes, but here we don't have any quotes. It's just the number. Variables allow computers to store and manipulate data in dynamic fashion. They do this by using a label to point to the data rather than using the data itself. Any of the 8 data types may be stored in a variable. Variables are similar to the x and y variables you use in mathematics, which means they are a simple name to represent the data we want to refer to. Computer variables differ from mathematical variables in that they can store different values at different times. We tell JavaScript to create or declare a variable by putting the keyword var in front of it, like so. So for declaring a variable, we need to put type var in front of the variable. This is our variable. This creates a variable named our name. In JavaScript, we end statements with semicolons. As you can see here, we have the semicolons. Variable names can be made up of numbers. Okay, variables can be made of numbers, letters, uh, dollar sign, underscore, but may not contain space or start with a number. It can be made of numbers, but it cannot start with a number. It can be letters or signs like this, dollar sign or underscore, but it cannot contain space. So if we need to put some space, we can use this underscore. Use the var keyword. So this is our objective in this topic. Use var keyword to create a variable named my name. Look at the our name example above if we get stuck. So let us write var my name and don't forget to put the semicolon. Now let us run the test. So we have completed that. Thank you.